Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So this is not compulsory that the variant name should be color only. If you have any other name of the variant, then still you can display them as an individual product on your collection pages. This video is specific for Impulse theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a playlist of all those videos for different themes, so you can follow that. If you still don't able to find the video, then you can directly message me. I will create a video for you, or maybe I will help you out according to your theme name. So on my screen right now you can see that we have multiple products, but only single color is displaying on this collection page. So first example, I am taking this example. So you can see that we have multiple colors, but only single color is displaying on this collection page. So how we can display all the colors on the collection page? So the first thing is that you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Impulse theme version 7.6.1. If you have any other version, then still this feature will work on that. So you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first. Once you're duplicating it, because if you have any problem or something, you can roll it back to its original version. Then after, you should click on edit code, and you will see that we have some folders and files here. And now you need to follow the documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should download the code, and then after you will be finding all these files inside of it. So you should open document.txt, and inside of it I have already given all the steps which are important for this video. So the first step is that you should create a new snippet, color-variant. So you should copy the name from here, go back to this screen, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and paste that name here, which is color-variant. Then click on done, and then again go back to the documentation. We have the second step, which is create another new snippet, color-product-grid-item. So you should copy this and go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. Again go back, we have the third step, which is go to snippets and open collection-grid. So you should copy it, go back here, search collection-grid. So here you can see that we have collection-grid.liquid, and inside of it you need to search product-grid-item. So let me copy from here. You should use Ctrl F or maybe Command F and search it right here, and you can see that it is already highlighted. So you need to remove this and replace it with color-variant. So let me copy, and here you need to remove first, and then you need to paste that color-variant, and that's it. So you should save the changes and close this file, and now we are going to paste the attached code. So first code is color-variant. So you should copy this complete code first, and then go back here, paste it inside of color-variant. So I have copied and then pasted, and you should save the changes and close this file. Go back again, and here you have color-product-grid-item.liquid. So you should copy the code from here and go back to this file and paste it, and then click on save. So finally we have completed all the steps. Now we need to refresh this page and see the changes. So let me refresh, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all those colors displaying on this collection page. So how beautiful this is now, because we are presenting all the possibilities through color to our customers. So here you can see that swatches are already working. So you can change the swatch. So if you are facing any issues or something, then you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. In the previous videos, I have already created some more features. So let me show you how it looks. Actually, I have created multiple sliders. So let me show you some of them, so that if you feel that these are useful for you, you can copy and paste the code into your store also. So here we have like pricing table, we have video slider, we have product slider, we have testimonial slider, images slider, collection slider. So all these sliders I have created, and I will be adding the links below in the description. So if you have to create a new store, or maybe you have a new section to create, so you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. And if you are facing any problems or something, so you can directly message me. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can also join WhatsApp group, and if you want, you can also join YouTube perks, where I will be providing free consultation for your optimization of the stores. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.